guys, I am in Faber Tower. It's about a few kilometers from Mid-Valley Mall. I spilled olive oil in my laptop while I was cooking. I was watching a movie, the olive oil spilled, and now my keyboard is not cooperating. Okay, they're super cute. So I am on my way to KissMyMac. They are not authorized service partners of Apple, but my laptop is almost 4 years old now, so I don't care. I don't have Apple Care any longer. Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I changed from thinking I wanted to just have my keyboard cleaned to getting a new keyboard. I'm going to show you inside a MacBook Air. It was so cool looking into my Mac. I didn't actually think I'd be able to do that. I kind of assumed I'd be out having lunch somewhere and then would come back and pick it up. But it's been really fun. But before anything, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am Wander with Angela. I put out videos a couple times a week on the best places to eat, drink, play, and stay in Asia. Today I am also showing you when you're a stupid ass and you spill olive oil in your laptop, where to go in KL for an emergency cleaning or keyboard fix. Okay guys, quick update. As you can see, let's see. What I thought was that I could just come in and have my keyboard cleaned and everything would be okay, but it turns out olive oil is a bit different to other liquids. Other liquids just fall down and get onto the logic board. Luckily in my case, there was only a teeny tiny little centimeter dot of oil that had made it down to the logic board so far. But what that meant was that all the olive oil was still stuck up in the keys, like tucked up in them, and it was going to keep dropping over time, and I was just going to have to keep coming in to get this done like periodically. So it didn't make sense. So the service to clean the computer, the keyboard, the logic board, right? Yep. Is $250, and basically if you spill liquids in there, you want that cleaned out as soon as possible. You want to turn off your Mac, you want to just try to flip that thing over, keep it in that suspended state until you can get here, and the guys will clean things up as quickly as possible and get it back to you, generally in an hour?
Yep.
Generally in an hour. But that was not going to work for me because they couldn't actually, you can't pull the keys out and like individually sponge clean and clean out, you know, all of the keys. It's just part of the way that the MacBook is set up. So for me to know that I was going to have a fresh keyboard that didn't drip oil every day is much safer. That is 350 ringgits. That is what we're doing now. And it's just, yeah, why risk it? Because I know that the oil, I mean, when we pulled it off, Ian, it's like, oh God, it's so oily. And you can see as he's lifting it off and then it comes off, it was just this shiny, gooey mess of oil and it was all stuck in the keys. Anyway, we're doing that now. They are really great guys here. You're gonna get really fast service, really fast response to questions. Which is what you want when you have an emergency. The thing that you want is a quick reply. You want to have your nerves calm down. I was still using my MacBook when I was reaching out to them on Facebook. They're like, okay, so does it still boot up? I was like, oh yeah, I'm on there now. And they're like, turn that off. So I got off quickly, had my nerves calmed, went, you know, half a day without my laptop. I'm here today and now it's being... Okay, well, I'm going to put a link down below to their website, to their Facebook page, which I would recommend using for reaching out. Do you guys have a WhatsApp as well?
Yep.
Okay, or there's a WhatsApp number I'll post down below as well. But do subscribe to their Instagram account and follow them, give them some love. I highly recommend KissMyMac, partly because it's a cool name, but mostly because it was super fast service, super fast response, and the guys are doing great, and it's affordable. So thank you guys. If you have any questions, please do leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you within a day or so. And have a great day. I'll talk to you guys soon.
I can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me in bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up feet. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. So put your for your innocence, acting like you're into me. I know this is hopeless, moving in slow motion, trying to control my thoughts, but I can't stop our body talk. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, back up and get me home. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold.